Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the Wechip AirMouse by Redingrey. On the front of the box we have an image of the device itself. Over here we have a couple of bullet points that describe this product, which is basically a wireless keyboard, air mouse and IR remote all in one. On the left hand side there is nothing. On the right hand side we have the model number of the product and the two color options in which this product is available. As you can see, the black version has been ticked, meaning that we have the black variant of the product. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. On the back we have the different compatibility options right here, which include Android TV box, mini PCs, smart TVs, projectors, HTPCs and all-in-ones. Over here we have a few of the basic functions. Important ones are 6-axis inertia sensors that support the motion sensing games. It also has air mouse cursor on or off, IR learning function, up to 10 meters of transmission distance and a low battery indicator. Over here we have a list of the features. It works off the 2.4 gigahertz infrared band. It can be switched on or off as well. It has an LED status indication, which means that if it is charging you will know via the LED light. It also has a built-in lithium battery. You can adjust the air mouse's speed so that it is comfortable for you to control. It also has an automatic sleep mode to reduce power consumption. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside we get some literature in the form of the user manual. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the device. Next up is the charging cable. It has a USB type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. The whole thing is approximately 3 feet long. We also have the wireless transmitter and receiver, which enables the communication between the air mouse and the device that you want to control using it. Coming to the air mouse itself, we can see that it has a clear plastic film on the top, which we can remove right now. As we can also see, it has a black color theme going for it, as we know from the box, and the top has is mostly a glossy black finish. We have two LED lights up here. One is to basically when you press a button it will light up, and the other one will show you when it is charging. Underneath that we have the power button. Over here we have the mouse control button. On the right hand side we have the home button. Below the mouse control button we have the menu button, and the back button is opposite to that. Right on the bottom we have the volume control buttons. In the middle we have the navigation and OK buttons. Wechip branding is right on the bottom, and on the back we have a full alphanumeric keyboard, basically with all the keys that you might find on a keyboard. Over here is the micro USB charging port. So this was the unboxing of the Wechip AirMouse by Redingrey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.